Hey, what's going on, guys? It's AWESOMENESS Tech here, and welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I have my iPhone 12 Pro right here, and I actually have a few cases. I reached out to a company called Ringke, and they sent me out a few cases to review for a video, and let's get right into it. Alright, guys. Right here we have the Fusion iPhone 12 Pro clear case, and let's just tear it open right now. Ooh. I'm loving this packaging a lot. It's eco-package friendly, which is really nice. Again, this company is called Ringke. They shout out to Ringke for giving me this sponsor and reviewing your cases. Ooh. Alright. This is just directions. We're film outside and then inside as well. And then they also have styling. And this is what they have too. Ooh. I'm liking actually a lot of this stuff. Ooh, the Ringke Gear car mount. Ooh, I'm interested in that. And also the Ringke folding stand too. Huh. I might have to look into that. And then they also have watch cases. I also need to get one from them. I gotta buy one soon, and I can get this with the 20% off code. I'm not sure which one I'll pick. I've looked at it once or twice before, and I just didn't really choose one what I really wanted to buy. But I'll definitely review one of these for the video too, in a couple of videos, depending on when I get the actual case for the watch. Alright guys, let's take out the film right here. There we go. Oh, that satisfying sounds so good. Wow, I'm impressed. I love the sound of doing that with the phones. Recently, Apple didn't actually do something good like that, which I'm kind of not happy. Let's also get the one inside as well. Alright guys, I couldn't get it off, but I'll just get it off later. As you can see, I tried picking at it a little bit. It didn't really work as well as I thought. But let's just put it in here right now and test that out. Wow, that's actually a good looking case though. Besides the scratches, but that's just because of the plastic seal that's in there. As you can see on the bottom too. It feels really nice in the hand. How did the buttons feel? Wow, this is actually a really durable case. I would definitely recommend this case. This is the Ringke Fusion Clear, and they have a lot more cases I'm going to review in this video, so this is going to be a long video, but I'm really interested in this one. And let's get right into the next one. Alright guys, here's the Ringke iPhone 12 Pro case Fusion Smoke Black version, and let's just tear this one open real quick. There we go. Pull this out. And same paperwork, which is easy to remember. Set to the side. Alright guys, this smoked black version looks really fire. It reminds me of like when some food is smoked in a smoker, like ribs. It has like that awesome touch, or smoked cheese that has like that cool like color to it. Let's just throw our iPhone in it right now. Wow, that's really snug. I'm really impressed with it. And for the back seal, wow, that's a very, very nice, good looking case. I'll definitely use this case a lot. Yeah, but if you guys want to go and check out this one, this is the Smoke Black Fusion case you can buy on Ringke, the Ringke's website. I'll have that in the description right now. Alright guys, so let's get on to the next case, and we can put this case to the side for right now. Okay, the next Ringke case is the Fusion iPhone 12 Camel Black version. And let's tear this one open. Slide this out with the paperwork. Set to the side. Paperwork. Alright. Protection film. I don't think this really matters, as it was just the same thing, just different case. And same thing again. Wow. This case is super fire though. I'm actually very impressed. Alright. Let's just throw in the case. And this has a very, very nice feel to it. I'm actually really impressed. I have another military case I bought from the store, and I don't really like it as much, but this is really impressive. I'd actually use this a lot actually. I'll switch out these cases once every week or so and just get a nice touch and see if I really like it more than I like it right now. Alright, let's take out the seal since everybody likes the seal. Here we go. And is there another one right here too? Alright, we'll just let this one sit for right now, and we'll get the seals off all when we're done off camera. But let's get into the next case. Alright guys, the next one we have is the Air S iPhone 12 Black case. And this looks like just a hard black finish, which is very nice. I love these kind of cases. Let's get right into it. Again, take out the paperwork like usual. Put our handy dandy paperwork to the side. Alright, wow. This actually feels really nice. Let's put it right in the case. That hard finish, though, I'm very impressed with this case. I haven't seen good cases in a long time, and I'm very impressed with Ringke's cases right now. Wow, jeez. Yeah, I definitely go and get the ARS, the black finish one. It's definitely well worth the price. It's $20 on their website right now, but go and get it right now, and you won't regret it. Alright guys, the next one we have is the Fusion X iPhone 12 black version of it. Instead of the camel black, take out the paperwork. Set it to the side like usual. Wow, this Fusion X case is really impressive how it looks. I love both of these, the camel black and then the clear as well. Let's just take off the back film right now, and then we can throw the iPhone right in there. That takeoff though, that feels really good. Alright, so we'll just leave that one there like usual, and then throw the phone in there. Wow, I love these snug cases. It just feels nice. It's not loose. It's very tight. It works very well in the hand, and it doesn't pick up grease as much on like fingers. Overall, this is a 10 of 10. All these cases have been 10 of 10s right now. I've never met a company like this that has such good cases before. Let's get right to the next case, guys. Alright guys, we have the Fusion Matte iPhone 12 clear case. This is again from Ringke. All these cases are from Ringke as well. Let's tear this open. Take out the paperwork like usual. 3, 2, 1. Wow, this clear case is really impressive. I actually have a clear case from Mouse, but they have like black ridges on the side a little bit, and then it's just not as like clear as you expect. This actually doesn't pick up with fingerprints at all. That's actually really impressive. I don't see any, so I don't know how they did that, but I'm very impressed. So I might actually start using the clear case for just a little bit longer, and then I'll switch over to one of the other Ringke cases, which this is the Ringke case I'm going to be using right now after this video. I will not change it probably for at least a few days, but this looks so fire. You can even see the edges right here. Wow. It feels so nice. It feels like the back of my phone, but it's not. These edges work so well with it. Alright guys, let's get into the next case now. Alright guys, the case we have right here is the iPhone 12 Air strap combo clear. This is what I read from the website. It's like a strap that you hang in your pocket, or it's like a lanyard that connects to the case, which I thought was really cool. Let's just open it. Let's open this. Wow, I like the lanyard. It's pretty cool. Does it have Ringke on it? Hey, it does. Sweet. Right there. All right. And then what I assume is you throw it over here in the corner, and then from there it just wraps up. You just gotta be smart and get it through. And then it just tangles like that, and it'll just sit in your phone. That's actually really cool. Very smart idea. I definitely buy this one if you like lanyards and you lose your phone, or you just don't want to lose your phone, like if it falls out of your pocket. All right, guys, on to the next case. All right, guys. So this is the Onyx Design iPhone 12 Graffiti Edition. There's 3 different editions, like artwork on the back for this exact case. I love the code one they have on the website, which was my favorite one. I'm definitely gonna buy that one soon if I can buy that in the next couple of weeks. All right, let's get it, open it up, guys. Paperwork to the side like usual, and wow. Wow, I'm actually, I have no words for this. This is so cool. It flexes too. Oh, that's cool what they did right there. They put imprints right there. I'm pretty sure that's for the shock protection. And let's just throw the case in there. Whoa, that's a different feel. No way. All right, this is my favorite case out of all the cases. They're metal or steel, or I think very hard plastic buttons, but they look metal, and it's so cool. Holy, the artwork though. I love that artwork. Thank you so much, Ringke, for sending out these cases. I really love these. Wow, best case I've seen in years though, right here. All right, guys, let's get into the last case of the video, and this is gonna be the end of the review once we get into the last case, and I'll share my thoughts on this last case as well. Of all these cases have been 10 of 10 already, and I'm super impressed with all these cases. You guys should go check them out 100%. Alright guys, last case we have here is the Onyx iPhone 12 Pro Black Edition. So this is the same thing, it's just it doesn't have the artwork on the back of it. And let's just tear it open right now. Pull it out, take out the paperwork, and that's actually, this is still a good looking case, even without the artwork. It feels so nice in the hand. You've outdone yourself, Ringke, 100%. Very impressed, 100% though. For sure, guys, go check out the link in the description to their website and their Twitter page. You guys can check out all these cases that I reviewed in this video, but make sure you guys like and subscribe down below, and definitely give some love to Ringke for these cases. Thank you, Ringke, so much for these cases. I appreciate it a lot. If you want to do business again, please let me know. I would love to do 100%, just because I love these cases now. And thank you so much again, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.